So now let me see how to import it. We'll wait for a few minutes. Let the program will open it. That is, we need to import the import sys and second line. What is the second line? Sys dot path dot append of append append, then parenthesis we need to give the location. Suppose my package is I kept the package in D colon. In the inside the D colon, one folder I created, that is new folder, folder name itself new folder. Okay, then what may be the my statement? D colon double slash new folder double slash. That's all. Have you understood? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Wait, I will try to open it. So let I will open the package test. That is our how to import it. You can see. So suppose you can see the second line. I am highlighting this system dot path dot append of f colon. Suppose the SB math is a what package name. So suppose the SB math folder is present inside the f colon, means we need to give f colon. Inside f colon, inside another folder, suppose if it is there, means then we need to mention the folder name also too. Okay, where the SB math folder is located, that is SB math is a package. No, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so so far we learned in the fourth chapter, that is how to create a module, how to create a package. Okay, so that is the main concept we completed, and the next topic, let me go into that. Please listen. Okay, let me go to the slide. This are all we have seen how to create a package. Okay. And now today we are going to see one important concept, that is mathematical and string function. Today concept is this concept only, mathematical and string function. We already know many mathematical functions which is defined already. These are all inbuilt functions. Okay, these are all built-in function. We no need to import any specific module for that. Okay, likewise a print function, just like that we can use. We have defined, we have seen many string functions. Can you able to recall many string functions we have used in the chapter 2? Is upper function, find function, len function. These are all functions we are using, but whether we are importing any functions or whether we are defining the function or whether we are importing any module for that in order to use. Suppose I want to use the len function. No, because these functions are built-in function, already it is imported. Okay, where it is present in the standard library. These function definitions and all defined in the standard library. That's why whenever the Python interpreter, when we start the interpreter, automatically this library will be get imported. So we automatically can use these functions. And now today we are going to see the two important function, oct function and x function. Okay. So oct function, oct means octal. I already said there are number systems in the Python, not only in Python, computer number systems are there, binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal, 4 type of number systems are there. Okay, so using the number system, it is a separate system. Likewise ASCII code is a separate code. No, for one letter, each character we have a specific number. Okay, here this is a number systems. Okay, so octal, for example, whenever we are giving a normal number, if we want to convert into octal number, means we need to, it is a separate procedure is there, but by using this function we can easily convert into octal number system. Okay, what is octal number system, sir? If you are asking, means 0 to 7 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, likewise up to 7, totally 8 numbers are there. No, that is called octal. Okay, 1 minute, if you wait, means I will show one slide also to you. 1 minute. So I'm just opening the file. You can see this. Could you able to see this? Is it okay? Visible to you? So these are all the number system. Binary number system means its base is 2. What are the numbers means 0 and 1. These are all called binary numbers. Okay. Octal number means 0 to 7. Its base is 8. Okay. Base number is 8. Totally 8 numbers are there. That's why. Okay. Including 0 I am saying. Decimal means 10. Its base is 10. 0 to 9 numbers are called as decimal numbers. Apart from that, 0 to 16, that is 0 to 15. F is denoting 15. Let us say 0 to 9 is there. In decimal number system, 10 is mentioned. 10 should be mentioned in the letter A. Okay, A means 10 in hexadecimal number system. B means 11. C means 12. Okay, D means 13. E means 14. F means 15. So 0 to 15. This number, totally 16 numbers. This number's basis, that is hexadecimal number, is base is 16. Now you get the clarity about the number system. What are the number system? What's its base? What are the numbers? Have you understood? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. In class 11
Yes,
book
sir.
also there, if it is, yeah, if it is possible, you just take the 11th standard book and refer it. 13th chapter, the data representation. The chapter name I think so. If you just take means, you can get the thoroughness about the number system. Okay. So let me go to our slide. So you can see this. So octal number, for example, n is, you can see the program, n equal to int of input, we got the number. Okay, that number you want to convert into octal number means, very simple, you can see on, that is a variable, whatever variable we can give. Okay, a equal to, let we consider a equal to oct of n, that is n will be converted into octal number system. Okay, and hx, we can give b, if hs is a variable, we can give whatever variable. If you want a given number into hexadecimal number means, then hex, x of that number. Okay, then it will be stored in the particular variable. We can print octal equivalent of the given n number is that number. Okay, so likewise we can print. You can see, enter any number 12. You enter 12, it is confirmed. And next you can see octal number. What is the 12 octal number? What is the number for 12? In octal number system, that is 14. Could you able to see what is the 0 and O, sir? These are the string referring, it is indicating it is a octal number system. It doesn't have value, but this is the indication. Okay, likewise positive sign, negative sign are there, no? Positive numbers, negative numbers we are saying no. So octal number, what is the indication means? O0, this is the indication. For hexadecimal, OX. Oh, sorry, 0x, this is the indication for hexadecimal number system. Okay, so equivalent hexadecimal number system, 0xc. What is c? I already said, what is c in hexadecimal number system? A means what? I said just before the slide. A is denoting what in hexadecimal number system?
10.
10.
10.
Then B means
11.
11. C?
12.
12.
Yes. Now we got no. What is C here? 12. OX, sorry, 0x12. So what is the equivalent number for hexadecimal? Also 12 only. But we have to mention in hexadecimal means 0x we need to mention. Somewhat you get the idea of how to convert the octal number system, given number, that is decimal number, to octal and hexadecimal. Have you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the function, this is the built-in function. We no need to write the definition for that. Automatically it is there, it is predefined one. Easily we can use in order to convert number conversion. Okay, number conversion is one of the topic in computer science. Okay, so you can refer in net, or else if you have doubt means you can ask, or else take the 11th standard book. That's a very basic. Okay, So once you go through means you can easily understand. Okay. Shall we go to the next slide? And next one is integer function, function. This integer function you already used. Okay, int of, for example, 5.5, int of 5.5. What will be the answer? Int of 5.5.
5.
Yes, 5. Because the integer function will convert the number into what? Integer. Have you understood? So it will convert the number, given number into integer. Okay, these functions and all you have studied in the first chapter. Can you recall? Type conversion. In this 12th standard only I'm saying. Typecasting and type conversion. Automatically convert. Last exam also you attended one test. One question. Can you recall int of A, int of B after we are interchanging the values? Can you able to recall?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is int of string. We can convert that. The string will be converted in the ASCII code. Okay, that is the thing. And the third one, round function. This is very important function. Okay, the round function. Whenever we are using the floating data type, the data will be, for example, let you say 10 divided by 3. What may be the output? Normal division. 10 divided by 3. What we will get?
3.33.
Yes, 3.333. It is goes like that. But we need, suppose in the normal division also, whenever not only this type of divisions, whenever we divide also, the computer, especially the Python, will give 12-digit decimal points. We no need that much point. Just 2 points is enough. No, after the decimal, 2 numbers is enough. Okay, so for that we can 2 or 3, whatever according to our use we can set it. Let we go to example, you can understand directly. You can see this program. Could you able to see this program? Now is it okay? Could you able to see?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first, you just see the pointer. I'm just showing you the screen. N1 we got the first number, and N2 we got the second number and stored in N1 and N2. First number is stored in N1, second number is stored in N2. Okay, N3 equal to N1 divided by N2. Okay, we got the division. After the result is stored in print, that is N3. We asked to print the N3. You can see 5. Enter the first number is 5, second number is 3. 5 divided by 3, we got what? 1.666. Goes like that. Afterwards 7 is coming. Okay, we no need that much of accuracy, right? No. So in order to avoid this much of that is decimal points, we can use the round function. For that only we can use round function. Let you see this program, this pointing program. We got the same thing in print function. I'm using the round. The print statement, I'm using the round function. Round of N3. What is N3? Can you say what is N3?
N1 divided by N2.
Yeah, the result is stored in N3. N1 divided by N2, the result is stored in N3. So N3 comma 2. So N3 contains what? 1.6667, like that it is storing. Okay, but we need to show only 2 digits. How many digits you want to you like to show? That digit you want to mention. Okay, round of result value comma number of digits, number of decimal points, not digit, number of decimal points. Okay, I mentioned 2 in the slide. You can see 1.67, 2 digit only it's showing, 2 decimal points only it is showing. Have you understand how to use round function?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rest of the students, have you get the clarity how to use round function? Tejavant and the Silvaram only answering. Rest of them, okay. Let you go to the next slide. And another one, this is the string function. We have completed the mathematical functions, and 3 string functions, 3 more string functions are there. Okay, join, replace, and split. Okay, 3 functions. First, let me see about the join function. Okay, if you want to join a character between the letters or between the words, okay, then we can use the join function. Listen the syntax alone. Next slide, we can see the example program. String, which string you want to join, which character you want to join, that one. Okay, dot join of, actually here we need to, in the argument we need to give the string value. Okay, the proper string value. Directly it go to the example, you can see this. Now in this example, hashtag is a character which I like to join. Okay, hashtag dot, that should be mentioned in a single quote or double quote. Okay, dot join of India. India is a string. Okay, so how it will be a join, you can see. If you make the statement, if you suppose print the statement, means you can get I hashtag N hashtag, then D, then I, then A. Likewise, the hashtag symbol, the character which we specified, instead of hashtag, if you give some other letter or character or any special character, whatever we can insert it. So, but it should be a string. That is a rule. Okay. So that string will be, or the character will be inserted between the elements. Between the elements. That is very important. Okay. Here India is what type of data? Whether it is what type of data type? What is the data type of India? String. So what is the, how many elements are there in the data type? I mean the India?
5.
5. Very good. So it will be added. Why I'm asking this question? Next is example you can understand. Okay. Here what is the data type of IPL, CCL, FIFA?
5.
No. How it is 5? Oh, somebody saying for previous answer. Okay. Here you can see IPL, CCL, FIFA. This is what type of data? Can you able to recognize? What is the data type of this one? Integer. Tuple. It is in square bracket. No, I mean, sorry, it is in parenthesis. No, that's why it is tuple. How many elements are there in the tuple? How many elements?
3, sir.
Very good. 3 elements. Now, yeah, very good. Now we want to join the dollar symbol, the $3 symbol. That is a string. Okay, because we enclose within the quotes. That's why it is called a string. Okay, I like to join the string between the elements only. The join function will join the elements between the string, that is between the elements. That is very important. IPL, then you can see the output triple dollar sign, and CCL triple dollar sign, and FIFA. So the join function used to join the given character between the two elements. Between two elements it will be inserted. Between two elements it will be inserted. You can see the pointer. Okay, so between the two elements, the joining string, the which one we like to join, that string will be added or it will be inserted. Okay, so because here element is 3, it won't inserted I triple dollar, P triple dollar, L, it won't, because the element is, this is IPL is a single element, CCL is a single element, FIFA is a single element. Okay, have you understood how to use the join function? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
And one more. Yeah, Chandru.
No.
Yes, Chandru.
Sir, I have doubt, sir.
Yeah, please. Yes.
Sir, Indian single element run, sir. அதுல எப்படி சார் நடுவுல பெட்வீன்ல வருது hashtag?
It is not a single element. India is not a single. What is the data type of India? Can you say? What is the data type of India?
String, sir.
String. Okay. String. What is the element? How many elements are there in the string?
5.
5. So what I said, the character will be inserted between the two elements. Did I say the word or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can see the hashtag will be inserted between I and N, two elements. Okay, between the hashtag will be inserted. Again, N and D, two elements. Between hashtag will be inserted. And D and I, then I and A. Have you understand? Between the two elements in the
Yes,
given
sir.
data type, the required, I mean the string will be, the character, given character will be joined. Have you understood, Pa, Chandru?
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. Now in this, yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now in the third line, you can see it's showing error. Can you say why? What is the reason for the error? In the third statement, third example, we're asking to add the join, I mean dollar symbol in between the tuple. Why it is showing the error? Can anybody guess the idea? I mean, can you guess it? Yes.
Because it is string function, sir. It is
Yeah.
integer involved.
Exactly, correct answer, very correct answer. That is, the join is a string function. It will work with the string data type only. Okay, except string data type, integer, float, boolean values, or whatever data type if you are asking to asking to use, it won't work. Okay, so now you can see IPL, it's working between the IPL and CCL. The triple dollar sign will be inserted. Okay, then next element is what 1 2 3 is a integer data type, so it won't work with the integer between the two elements. But what is the thing here, FIFA and 1 2 3 is two elements, but both the elements are string. FIFA is string, 1 2 3 is a string. No, it is a integer data type, that's why it's showing the error. Okay, suppose if I mention the double in 1 2 3 in double quotes or single quote, whether it will work or what? Suppose I mention the 1 2 3 in
Yes, sir.
single
It will
quote.
work, sir.
What
Yes,
it will work, sir?
correct. So you understood how to use the string function. Okay, let me see about the next function, that is split function. Split, from the name itself you can understand, you want to what is it, cut the function. Okay, split, we want to cut the words, cut the strings, okay, into two parts or three parts. Okay, the split function will take an argument. Okay, what is the argument? You can first, we will discuss about the syntax of the split function. Okay, string dot, here which string you want to split, which string you want to cut into the pieces. Okay, for example, apple is a string. Suppose if a given means, okay, the string we want to mention here. Okay, dot split function, that's all. Okay, if we didn't pass the argument here, the split function we didn't pass the argument, it will split by white spaces. Okay, whether it finds the white spaces there, it will cut. Okay, if we pass the argument based on that thing, it will cut it. I will show the example, then afterwards we'll go for the next thing. You can see this example for split function. Message equal to, that is MSG equal to KV space OEF space Kanpur. This is a given string. Okay, you understood? Then that is message 1 equal to, that's a variable. Simply we can give whatever variable. Message 1 equal to MSG, that is message dot split function. What I said, if we didn't pass the argument, the split function will split by spaces, of white space. Okay, then how it will return the results, sir? It will be returned in the form of list. That is one notable point. Okay, how the split function will return the result means it is the form of list. Okay, you can see the output we are asking to print, that is the message will be splitted based on the spaces, KV one element, OEF one element. Between that you can see the two spaces. Okay, then it will be splitted, stored in message 1. We ask to print the message 1. You can see the output, first output, KV will be one element. Please see the pointer. And OEF, that will be one element. Why it is splitting like that, sir? Because space is there. KV, one space is there. That's why based on the space, the string will be splitted. That is, the string will be cut. Okay, do you understand? And OEF will be another string. Okay, then between OEF and Kanpur, one space is there. That's why it will be splitted as another element. So you can see the data type, square bracket. You can see the square bracket. So that's why it is what? List. So how the split function will return the value? It is in the form of list. That is one notable point. Have you understand how the split or how the split function is useful? Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So okay, shall I ask one question? How the, for example, in function, in the third chapter I'm asking for your, whether you can able to recall or not, for to check you. Okay, the function is returning multiple values. In the call statement, only one variable is there to receive that, to receive the value from the function. Okay, the function return multiple values. How it will return? In the form of what? In the form of what?
Yes, sir.
Sorry? Don't know. Function definition. The function returns multiple values to the call statement. How it will return?
In the form of
Suppose,
tuple.
very good, very good. Who said the answer?
Silvaram, sir.
Selvaram, good. So likewise, here there is a tuple. Okay, here what is the thing? The split function will return the given string. After splitting it, it will be returned in the form of list. This type of question definitely will expect in the board exam. Okay, so very important. Then you can see print of type of message one. We ask you to print the what is the data type of message one. So it's splitting like that. You can see. Message one, we ask you to print type of message one. So it's showing class list. List is a data type of the message one. Okay. Could you understood this function, this program? Could you understood this
Yes, sir.
program? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me go to the next program. You can see message 2 equal to kv@gmail.com. It is another string. There is no space. Please note it. Okay. Message 3 equal to, that is another one variable. Okay. Equal to message 2 dot, that is msj2 dot split of at. Now we are passing one argument. In the previous function we didn't pass argument. That's why it is split by space. Okay. Here we are passing one argument. We can pass two arguments also. Nothing else. The two argument means at a. Like we say, two character, but it should be a single string. We can pass a single string only, single argument only for better word. Okay, multiple argument we cannot pass. It's not mean by two arguments. Only one argument only we can pass, but the argument may contain one or two characters. Okay, basically it is one character. It is fine. Okay, so here at symbol is passed as argument. Now it will be split by at. Okay, you can see the output. I am showing the output also. You can see in this pointing line. I'm pointing, no, you can see here kv. So kv is a before at symbol. What is the word is there? What is the character are there? K and v. So it will be considered as a single string. You can see the output in the pointer, the output in the right hand side. Okay, and at will be removed because based on that only we are removing, no, I mean we are splitting, no. So that's why that will be taken off, take out from the string. Okay, then gmail.com will be another string. You can see this. This is another string. So you can see the split function will return the value in the form of list. If you want to split by the particular character means before the character and after the character. Suppose I will ask one question, kv@gmail.com. If it is there means what may be the output? kv@gmail.com @com. What will be the output? Can you say?
Sir, kv
Yes.
string containing kv, gmail, com.
Very good, very good. That will be removed. It will return the three strings. Okay, instead of two, it will, suppose at is there means it will return the three strings. Students, did you understand how the function will be removed? How it will be split? It's not removing. It's not, how it is splitting the function, splitting the string into the different parts. Have you understood? Okay, okay. And
Yes, sir.
yes, and last one we are going to see replace function. Replace function, we already seen one example in the last class. In the function a combination of two statements is a single statement. The functions chapter we have studied. 1 second, I will teach it. Okay, you can see the third example. My message, I'm showing the pointer. My message equal to I love Python programming. It is there. It is a string. Okay, what is the use of replace function? Let I will explain it. Replace function, from the name itself you can understand. If you want to replace a word or if you want to replace a character with another character, then we can use the replace. Okay, here you can see my message 2, it is a variable equal to my message. My message means the string containing variable dot replace of which what is the string? Python. The Python want to replace. Okay, instead of Python, which one, what the word want to we want to occupy? C++.
C++.
Okay, so that's why we are mentioning it. Okay, which word we want to replace and comma replaceable word. You can take the syntax like that. String dot replace of replacing word and replaceable word. Okay, which word we want to replace or remove. Okay, and comma, what is the new word we want to enter in the place of that word. Okay, so what will be the result? You can see I love C++ programming. The Python will be removed and C++ will be inserted in the position of Python. Have you understood the replace function, how it's work?
Yes,
Have you
yes,
understood? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yeah.
we can replace two
Yeah. Yes.
instead of I hate C++ like that we can.
Definitely. But the string want to be like that. For example, the string is I hate C++. Okay. But instead of, for example, I love C++ is there. Okay. But you want, instead of love, you want to hate. Okay. Then we want to give in the Python script.
Sir,
Yes. Yes.
and instead of Python also C++, sir, change
Yes.
also.